I'd like to thank everybody over at the Greeley Chamber for sitting down with us this last week and going over everything. There was a lot of balls in the first year of our membership that were dropped, and we were going to cancel, and we got invited in to be able to go over our options. They really took the time, especially Kelly. She took the time to be able to hear our concerns, our thoughts, and everything that went wrong, and she did everything in her power to be able to make things right. And we decided to go ahead and continue our membership with the Greeley Chamber for one more year. I look forward to seeing what it can bring. And in business, it's not a matter of if you're going to drop the ball. It's a matter of when you drop the ball, how you pick it up. And the Greeley Chamber did an excellent job of being able to pick that ball up, make things right, and really kind of build that confidence back up for us to be able to continue forward. And that just really, truly means a lot to both Dean and I. And it is something that we want to be able to do for Simply Be Found. We started Simply Be Found specifically to be able to help local businesses get more eyeballs and more sales in the door. And that, by getting them found on voice search, local search, maps, and so on. We're not a traditional agency. We're really that service to be able to bring them together and give them a platform to be able to connect with those customers without expensive ad programs and everything else that's out there. So it really truly means a lot for us to be able to try and reach as many local customers as we possibly, or local businesses as we can, so we can help those local businesses connect with more local customers. And we really want to be able to help our home community right here. I live in Greeley, Dean lives over in Severance. Our business is over in Windsor now. We used to be in Greeley. But it's one of those things to where this just truly means a lot. You don't see this every day. To see a ball dropped like this and it to be made right in today's world. So I just wanted to be able to do a quick video and say thank you very much. Thank you, Kelly, for taking the time to hear us and to be able to address our issues. And we truly look forward to the next year. So here's to the next year. Thank you.